Hello， 同學大家好啊！歡迎大家繼續睇我哋呢個線上教學課程啊！你而家所睇緊嘅咧，適合小學6年班睇嘅閱讀理解課程啦，英文閱讀理解課程啦，4、5年班都睇得嘅，冇乜所謂嘅。咁我哋今堂繼續睇一睇啦，可以同你講啦，一首詩啦，上堂講咗我哋繼續睇首詩啊嘛。阿 Sir 有反口繼續講詩啦。咁上堂我哋講咗嘅話咧，佢屋企漏水啊嘛，因為樓上 upstairs neighbours 嘅 plumbing 啊，即係啲喉嘅話咧就漏水啊嘛。OK， 有條裂痕喺度漏水啦，去估啦。OK， 咁亦都去估啦，佢哋唔喺屋企啦 ，out of the town 啦。咁然之後佢間房嘅話咧，就已經咧發晒毛啊，同埋亦都開始喺度生鏽啦，咁樣等等嘅。可以開始第二段就同你講啦。It's also wet and cold， 佢就而家好濕啦，亦都好凍咯。Dead frogs have started spawning， 佢就咩意思咧？大家都應該知道啦。Frog 係點解啊 ？Frog 就係啲青蛙啦，啱唔啱啊？佢哋會 spawning 喎，即係其實佢哋喺度產緊卵啊。OK， 即係產卵即係生仔啦，簡單啲嚟講，即係你知啦。人嘅話生仔，我哋哺乳類動物嘅話就喺爹哋，唔係爹哋個肚入邊，係媽咪個肚入邊，我哋屙出嚟噶嘛。咁未必真係屙啦，即係要生出嚟逼出嚟啦，我咁簡單，或者開肚啦。咁其實唔係隻動物都係咁樣逼出嚟噶嘛，咁啊青蛙嘅話，佢哋就會產卵啦，跟住然之後就蝌蚪，然之後就會變咗另一隻青蛙噶嘛，係啦，咁呢啲咧有少少分別嘅，咁佢就喺度產卵啦，或者 spawning 啦。And otter 係啲咩嚟咧？估下，即係睇呢幅圖啊，其實動物嚟嘅。咁你見到有青蛙，跟住有魚，咁剩翻一隻咪呢隻咯？呢隻咩嚟㗎？我哋叫水獺啊！啲水獺啦，OK， 阿 Sir 其實都唔係好耐之前識呢個字，都係10幾年前啦。我講到佢10幾歲啊，16、17歲啦。幾年前我講錯咗 ，OK， 16、17歲嘅時候先識呢個字嘅啫。所以你哋其實咧而家早學咗呢個字幾好啊！即係有時即係以前細個我讀書嘅時候學啲動物名嘅時候嘅話咧冇咁複雜㗎，即係學到 frog 呢啲啊，最叻都係學到 salamander 啲咁樣嘅啫。咁跟住後尾啦學讀 bio 啦，跟住後尾就好多動物名都會記得啦 ，otter 啦呢啲水獺啦，因為之前阿 Sir 有個手提電話學到呢個牌子嚟。anyways 佢就 went through 即係咩意思咧？即係喺度蕩嚟蕩去咁樣啦。你見到幾得意幾型啊隻水獺 and with salmon splashing upstream 啊，佢就咧有隻三文魚喺度嘅話咧就 splashing 或者佢彈出嚟咧啲水嗰個動作咧就會叫做 splashing 啦。跟住 upstream 咧就向上游咁解啦。And some guy in a canyon，OK， 咁我上堂嘅話咧又走咁聽阿 Sir 我 OK 上堂阿 Sir 唔識呢個字啊，今堂嘅話咧。上堂之前我查一查字典啊，原來係咩意思咧？原來係獨木舟啊，即係總有啲字阿 Sir 係唔識嘅，大佬。即係我唔介意話俾你聽我啲咩字唔識喎，大佬點會知獨木舟啫？即係平時我寫啲嘅話，咪呢個 ship 咯，啱唔啱啊？最多咪 boat 咯，啱唔啱啊？咁但係佬，喂，我真係唔識呢個字啊嘛，阿 Sir 真係唔識啊，咁而今日學咗佢咯，嘅學完之後記得啦，知唔知啊 ？OK， 你都一樣啦，你同我一齊記咗個字去咯喎。Now waves are growing larger， 佢就話咧而家啲浪嘅話咧就越嚟越大啊 ，and the weather turning green 啊呢。天氣嘅話就越嚟越凍咯喎。A tide is rising rapidly， 佢就話咧有個浪啊，就喺度喺越升越高啊。OK， sorry 唔係有個浪，有個潮先啦。Sorry 啊，wave 係浪啊。OK，wave 係浪。A tide 係啲潮水啊，即係我慢慢拱上嚟嗰啲咧。OK， 越嚟越高咯喎，可以越嚟越快咯喎。I'm glad that I can swim， 我好開心咧，我係識游水嘅。即係其實你喺海入邊你識游水都冇用啦，大佬。如果側邊冇島嘅話，唔通你游足成日咩？游足成日你都揾唔到地方去落腳啦，係嘛，大佬？Anyways。My parents called the plumber，OK，plumber 即係整水喉嗰啲人啦 ，OK， 咁自然啦 ，plumbing 啊嘛，係一個水喉位啊嘛 ，OK， 咁 plumber 自然就係咧整水喉啲人啦。He is nowhere to be seen， 我見都見唔到佢啊，唔知喺邊度啦。Does anybody know where I can buy a submarine？ 知唔知有冇人知邊度我可以買個潛水艇啊？即係其實成件事咧，用一個誇張嘅手法去形容自己屋企漏水嘅情況有幾嚴重啊 ？OK， 好啦，咁我哋繼續答埋啲題目啦。OK， 可以同你講啦。The pond is home to 邊個咧？佢就話啦，個魚塘啊，個水池啊 ，sorry 個水池嘅話係邊個嘅屋企啊 ？Home to 係咪係對鞋啊？定係個 plumber 啊？咁啊自然就唔係啦，好明顯係 the frogs 啦 ，OK 喺青蛙嘅屋企啦。In line 13啊，喺第13行啊，呢度11、12、13呢度啦 ，the frogs have started spawning 啦 ，OK 佢就話講啦，frogs have started spawning happen when 啲乜嘢啊？當佢哋佢講緊佢產卵喎，咁當佢產卵嘅時候，當佢係幾時產卵啊？ wet and warm 啊，天氣呢個濕同暖嘅時候啦。dry and freezing 啊 ，wet and cold 定係 pipe leak 咧？咁好明顯亦都係濕嘅時候佢先會產卵啦。其實你未必知佢濕嘅時候先產卵嘅，但係你知道而家佢係形容緊佢好鬼濕啊嘛。OK， 冇理由係乾噶嘛，咁自然一定係濕同凍嘅時候啦。OK， 好啦，跟住然之後話 OK，in the poem the water start as a leak and turn into OK， 佢就話啲水咧開始漏出嚟啦，就變成一個咩啊？魚池啦、海啦、落雨同埋一個咧溪啦，係咪啊？定係落雨啦、a pond 啦、stream 啦定 sea 咧？即係其實你見到其實全部差唔多嘅，不過我有個次序出嚟啫。佢第一個次序嘅話就係 raining 啊嘛。OK， 第一個次序一定係 raining 噶啦。OK， 咁所以一定唔係 A， 一定唔係 C 啦。第二個次序嘅係又係變咗個池塘先變咗個 pond 啦。OK， 之後嘅話就會變咗做乜嘢啊？之後一個溪啦，之後變咗海啊嘛。所以答案係 B 啦。知唔知啊？有個次序喺度嘅。我第10行啦，喺度同你講啦。9, 17 to 24 show things are getting worse 啲乜嘢咧？係越嚟越嚴重啊！講緊由第17行到第20行呢度啊。OK， 咁你見到有 wave 先啦，有個浪先啦，跟住然之後個天氣有問題啦，然之後就潮啦。OK， 咁所以你見到啦，首先應該係個邊度咧 ？OK， 咁當然啦，我當然佢有講嘅就係、會唔會係個 wave 咧？跟住然之後 glad 咧，跟住 plumper 咧，都有機會嘅。但係 green rapidly submarine 啦嘅 submarine 係完全 make sense 嘅，因為冇啦。parents 啦應該唔啱啦。now anybody buy 咧，咁好明顯啦，係 A 啦。OK， 唔算太難嘅呢個。OK， 第11題啊，同你講 the pipes remain broken 啦。OK， 好鬼仲係依然係爛緊喎 ，because 啲乜嘢啊？因為好明嘅 plumber 就未嚟到啦 ，hasn't come to fix it。OK， 因為一直都未嚟整啊嘛，佢話 nowhere near 嘛。the boy in the poem wants to buy a submarine， 點解係想買個潛水艇啊？因為 the weather is getting worse。OK， while he cannot swim，the water level is rising。好明顯嘅就啲水位咧越嚟越高啦。OK， 咁所以嘅話佢就想咧買架潛水艇去逃避啲水喎，知唔知啊 ？OK， 唔算太難嘅。咁我哋今堂咧講到呢度先啦。咁我哋下堂咧當然下堂唔講詩啦。不過我都唔好出爾反爾啦，費事你成日話我咧，哎呀 Sir 你又話唔講詩，而家又講詩。之後可能有機會講詩啦，不過下堂唔會啦。OK， 咁我哋下堂繼續咯喎。